Hi, this is Ravi here. I have come back with a large range of cough syrup. First of all, Triglad 80. Cough relief par excellence, Triglad 80, Ambroxol 15 mg, Guafencin 50 mg, Terbutaline 1.25 mg and Menthol 2.5 per 5 ml syrup. Apart from this, relieves congestion without sedation, Triglad DX, Dextromethorphan, Hydrobromide 10 mg and CPM 2 mg, Phenylephrine, Hydrochloride 5 mg per 5 ml syrup. So now here relieves allergic cough and congestion, Triglad cold, CPM 2 mg and Phenylephrine, Hydrochloride 5 mg per 5 ml syrup. Next and last, the right choice against weight cup, Triglad LS. Each 5 ml contains levosalbutamol 1 mg, Ambroxol hydrochloride 30 mg and Guafencin 50 mg syrup. Thank you very much for watching this video.